Hi friends, welcome to MSME Tool Room Hyderabad, and today we are introducing a new domain known as Industry 4.0. And in this Industry 4.0, in this presentation we will be understanding what is Industry 4.0, its advantages, and what are the different domains one can learn in order to enhance their career or in order to start their career in Industry 4.0, and who is eligible for this type of domain. So first let us understand what is Industry 4.0. So coming to Industry 4.0 journey, it started from 1.0. 1.0 industrial era. In that era, only the machines used to run with steam, and the production rate or the manufacturing production is very less and less accuracy, and in this human labor is used to continuously work with the machine. Slowly from 1.0, the industry era has been changed to Industry 2.0. So in this 2.0 era of the industry, mass production has been started, and during this mass production, for this mass production, in the place of steam, electricity has been introduced, and with the electricity most of the machines giving the production within less time, but still the accuracy is not up to the mark. Coming to Industry 3.0, in the Industry 3.0, in addition to the electricity, even electronics and information technology has been introduced. So in this era, robotics technology has been introduced, and because of this robotic technology, most of the machines started giving very good production within very much less time, and accuracy has been drastically increased, and the skill set for the operators has been improved, and their career both financially and technically has been drastically improved. Now coming to Industry 4.0, that is the latest version, latest technology right now. Here we are using, in addition to information technology and automation, big data analytics and artificial intelligence. So here cyber physical system, with the help of cyber physical system, machines are acting as a smart machines, and they can take their own decision, and here machines are connected through IIoT, that is Industry Internet of Things. So the other name for the Industry 4.0, we can call Industry 4.0 as a smart factory, or also we can call as a IIoT, Industrial Internet of Things. So with the help of IIoT, all the machines have been connected, interfaced among the machines, and also the machines are connected to the back office. So during this process, during this era, during this technology, Industry 4.0, unwanted downtime of the machine has been drastically reduced, and maintenance cost of the machine has been reduced, and productivity rate increased, and accuracy drastical, that is drastical improvement in the accuracy, that is up to 0.01 approximately. So now this is what the journey. Now advantages of this Industry 4.0. Already in the previous slide I have explained, Industry 4.0 improves the production rate approximately by 50%. Similarly, Industry 4.0 reduces the unwanted downtime of the machines. For fresh graduates and unemployed engineers, this domain will give the kick start for their very much good career, very excellent career. So now in order to work in this Industry 4.0 domain, what are the required skill sets? So the required skill sets are, one has to understand what are smart sensors, and how to acquire the data by using a smart sensors. And after that, one has to understand how to implement lean manufacturing technology in the smart factory. Lean manufacturing technology helps us to reduce the wastage during the product manufacturing. Next, data analytics, that is big data analytics we can call. The other name for the data analytics is also we call as a big data analytics, and this big data analytics is very important, like how to reduce the unwanted data or how to remove the unwanted data and how to use the correct data of various machines and how to implement these total data in the machine learning algorithms, ML, that is a machine learning algorithms, how to write a machine learning algorithm, how to write the smart neural networks, and how to make the machine a smart, and finally how to make the machine autonomous, that is by deploying these total algorithms into the electronic circuits, and these electronic circuits are the customized circuits which will be designed and manufactured especially for deployment purpose. So these are the major skill sets one has to understand in order to work in industry 4.0 domain. So now who can learn this technology? Any industrial employees or students or faculties or the professionals from science background or engineering background with mathematics, they can easily learn this technology. Similarly, fresh graduates who are very much interested to work as an artificial engineer or a data analytics engineer in the industry 4.0 domain or lean manufacturing engineer, they can also learn this technology. So for further information, please contact to me, and my name is G. Sanat Kumar, working as a Deputy Director in MSME Tool Room, Hyderabad, and my contact number is 9908211787, and this is my contact number. And if you like this presentation, please like it, subscribe it, and share with all of your friends, and please press the bell icon in my channel so that you can view the next series of presentations I am going to upload in a week, step by step presentations. First I am going to upload, the next presentation is what are smart sensors and how data can be acquired from the machine by using smart sensors. Thank you so much for your time.